Why do all of your videos on YouTube only get around a few views, even though you upload on a daily basis? My advice really is to be patient and stay consistent. You're already off to a good start by uploading daily. Getting your goal number of views and subscribers won't happen in a flash. There's some tedious stuff you really need to get through and be really patient with. For the first 4 months, the results will be initially boring. You might get 20 views on one video, then 30 on another, then back down to 20. But the good news is that number gradually increases. To a 4-month mark, that's where it really gets the thrill and adrenaline really come in. Around that time, you'll have what's called a spike. This means you'll get thousands of views in a single day. Then in a few more weeks, you'll have another spike with even more views. Spikes don't last forever, but every time you get one, you create a higher baseline. This is because when you upload daily, the YouTube algorithm picks up on it. When you've impressed the algorithm, it will suggest your videos to other people who are watching content similar to yours. Suggested traffic is awesome. It's what gets you ranking higher and higher, with more and more views. This is how your momentum will keep building and building. Every spike will dwarf your previous spike and hike up your baseline for views, so you'll keep achieving more and more traffic. Maria's clients who are now 6-figure influencers, but started with only a handful of subscribers and very little views. While there are a lot of factors that contribute to this, one of the major ones that really spiked up those numbers is how many videos they upload on a regular basis. Clients that had their spike on the 4-month mark to the exact day. There was one who had it a week early, and another who had it 5 days late. But the timeline stays pretty much the same every time. Don't give up just yet. Don't bank on getting viral. Keep uploading daily, be specific and consistent with the quality of your videos, and you'll get a spike after 4 months. You'll start building a following that will really love your videos and watch your content regularly. If you liked this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. This will motivate Maria to upload more educational videos.